Hello everyone, I am Parthadev Shah. Today I am going to teach class 6 geography lesson number 1, the earth in the universe. The universe and the solar system. Let's see. What is constellation? A constellation is a group of stars which make up imaginary outline or pattern in the night sky. Example, the word constellation comes from Latin con meaning together and stellar meaning stars. Some example of constellation are Ursa Major. Type of constellation: Ursa Major, Orion, Cassiopeia, Leo Major. People used constellation to tell the difference in the color. Constellation were also used to group stars. But today, astronomy has a fixed set of 88 constellations. We see millions and millions of stars in the night sky. This group of stars are called constellation. Example, Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear or Big Bear. Ursa Minor, also known as the Little Bear. Ursa Major is also known Saptorshimandal, meaning 7 legs. The two stars at the head of this constellation, Saptorshi, are called pointers. This pointer always point the pole star. I know. The pole star or the north star or the pole star indicated in the north direction. And this picture show. After that, I will discussing the universe. Why universe is called universe? The word universe comes from the old French word univers, which comes from the Latin word universum. The Latin word was used by Cicero and Latin author in many of the same sense as the modern English word is used. Explain it. All the celestial bodies are located in universe. The universe is defined as the totality of everything exists, including all physical matters and energy, the planet, star, galaxies. What is nebula? The cloud of the gases and the dust which is believed to be the mother of universe is known as the nebula. It is Latin word meaning cloud. Nebula means nebula absorbed entire and reflect lights from the stars, and it does not have its own light. Next point, I am discussing on galaxy. A galaxy is a gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remains, interesting gas, dust, dark matter. There are millions of galaxies in the universe. It is a cluster of millions of stars called the Milky Way. Galaxy or Akashganga solar system is part of the galaxy. Who all understand this lesson class clearly? Thank you for watching this video, and more share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.